Hello everyone and welcome to Satin Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 10 and we are going to learn how to make a leaf. So now we are going to learn how to make a leaf. First we need a starched satin material, a satin cloth. This is starched. You want to learn how to starch it, then go through my video on satin cloth starching. Then I have a leaf shape. I have the measurements written. Please draw the shape accordingly. Then I need Fevicol or some kind of glue, a pencil to draw the shape, a pair of scissors, a piece of flower making wire. This is tissue paper, or you can also use a piece of crepe paper, and one handkerchief. Yeah, you must be thinking, why handkerchief to make flowers? I'll tell you, it's very interesting. So let us start. I'll keep everything aside and we will start by drawing the shape. Take pencil, place it like this. Yeah, cut the shape. So it looks like this. Yeah. Now take the wire, the flower making wire. Make sure that it is straight, not the bended one. It should be straight. Apply Fevicol or some kind of glue on it. And then wrap this tissue cloth, or you can also use crepe paper. This much should be enough. We don't need to cover the entire wire. Now take the back side of the leaf, back side, and apply the glue, same glue, along the central line. This along the center line like this. And place it like this so that press it a little and keep it for drying. You should keep it at least for some 10 minutes. Yeah. So our leaf is ready now. It is all dry. The wire is attached to the leaf. Okay. Now the interesting part comes, how to make it like this. You see the design here? You see the design? How to make it like this? Take the handkerchief. Bend your leaf at the center into two halves. Yeah. Okay. Then place it on one corner of your handkerchief like this. The wire this side and the leaf this side. The folded end this side, open end to the folded end towards the corner and the open end towards me. Then place this handkerchief on this. Place your left hand entirely on the petal, or we can say leaf. Entirely, I mean this part of your hand, this part of your hand should be on the petal. Yeah, hold it tight. The another side you need to pull like this and bend it inside. Take a half circle. Okay, I need to, it's not, yeah, take a half circle. You see here, okay, my satin cloth is slipping, so I'll not use this. Take it like this and yeah, open the leaf. See how it has got a design. I'll show you once again. Like what you have to do it, you have to place the leaf. Like this. Yeah, this way, and yeah, and apply and place the handkerchief on this. And I'm showing this without the leaf. Actually, the process. Place your hand like this and pull this side to a half circle tight like this. So it will come in this shape. This is how we make leaves. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I am happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.